We have something brand new, and I admit that this is a test. This is from our friends at Stamperia, and this is a calendar for 2020. Now, the calendar is wire bound, which means that it will lay flat as you turn the pages. And turning those pages is really something wonderful. Now, the measurements are 8 3/8 by 11 3/4, so kind of 8.5 by 11. And what this has, in fact, the front of it is really indicative of the art that's inside. Now, each of the pages to do your calendar are very much the same. So you have these squares where you can make notes, you can jot notes here, and that goes for every single month. But what I want to show you especially is the artwork above it. Now, you and I know that you can use these after you've got your calendar used for making cards, scrapbook pages, journals, planners, albums, anything. They are beautiful. Fantasy is hardly an escape from reality. It is a way of understanding it, is what is said there. Time to believe in magic. Aren't these beautiful? Very Stamperia-ish, don't you think? Wings to fly. Creativity is the greatest expression of liberty with that rainbow. Fantasy mirrors desire. Imagination reshapes it. Save your favorite dreams, and this is a good place to do that. Fairy tales do come true. Hooray! Make a fairy tale and go and live in it. So beautiful artwork, exactly as you would expect them to do, all 12 months. And then on the back page, you get a little thumbnail of each of those. So this is the 2020 calendar from Stamperia, and if you love it, we'll be getting more.